cross between a mandarin and a kumquat. Okay, it's very sweet on the inside, on the outside, and a little bit of sour on the inside unless you wait for it to turn completely orange. This is a very bushy tree, and it's originated from China. Calamondin. Centennial variegated kumquat tree. Okay, and this tree was made actually in Florida. Out of all of the kumquat trees, this one was actually accidentally produced in Florida. It's a mixture between Nagami and a mandarin, and it came about by a mutation by the pollination of one of their seeds were open, and that happened in Leesburg, Florida in 1976. And this is where this kumquat originated from. Okay, this is the Meiwa. This is a native of China. The Meiwa is a hybrid of the Nagami. It's one of the sweetest varieties, period. You can have eat the whole peel and the meat inside. They like full sunlight. They take 90 days from flower to fruit. They are cold hardy, and they can take hold from about below 20 degrees. This is the Nagami kumquat. It has a sweet peel and sour meat. Best eaten after consuming a miracle fruit. These fruits usually start producing in around springtime, and they go all the way through the winter. They are self-pollinating. This one is originally from China also, and this is the Nagami kumquat tree.